Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you want to open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this, so it's already open and visible on my screen. Once your content is prepped, meaning visible on your screen, simply press power button and volume down at the same time. You have a flash along with a pop-up with edit, tag and share options along with a T, which allows you to tap on it and the device will detect any kind of text on a screenshot. So any kind of like naming of applications will be selected and you can then copy it and paste it from a clipboard, which is pretty handy when it comes down to like some, for instance, pictures or screenshots that would have just say text that you can't select. There are some websites that do this. You could, for instance, capture a screenshot and then just select the text from the screenshot instead of trying to mess around with an annoying website design. But in any case, once you have captured your screenshot, you can find it in your gallery application and you want to navigate to albums, which you'll find a new album called screenshots, and then here you'll have all the screenshots that you have captured over the time. For me, this is just like 2 of them. As you can see, this is the one that I've captured on a video. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.